taking a little break, a little hike. Found a nice spot to pull off and stretch our legs. It's been, I don't know, 6 hours since Molly's been out, so thought we'd just take a little walk around, a little walkabout. There we go. Just a truck. She's like, hurry up, Mom, let's go. Ah. Did you have fun running around? Did you find any critters? You avoided the little cactuses, didn't you? I hope. Come across those periodically. Yeah. People come here and hike in and trail ride. There's cows around. It's a pretty area. You ready to go, Moo? She says, let's go. I need a drink, Mom. Yeah, she says, I need a drink. All right. Yeah. Gotta close the gate. Be responsible people here. All right. It's a lovely day, especially for waking up and it being 24 degrees out. It's really beautiful. You peeing again? All right, get it all out. Time to roll. All right, we're all set to go. Molly had her drink and now she's sitting down in front of the AC because she's still a little hot. You're a hot dog, aren't you? All right, y'all. You have a good afternoon. We're gonna get rolling again. Try and make it home.